Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to remove Gmail account from Android phone. There are two methods. First of all, go to settings. Now scroll down and go to Google. Click on this Google. Now click on manage your Google account. Now click on manage account on this device. Now click on this top Google option. Choose your Gmail account which you want to remove. I choose this one. Now click on this bottom remove button and click on this remove. Second method, you have to go to your Gmail box, click on your profile picture. Now click on manage accounts on this device again. Click on this Google button. Choose a Gmail which you want to remove and click on this remove button. Click on sign in and turn it off. This is how you can remove your Gmail account. Please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.